Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to see status on WhatsApp web quickly and easily. First, open your desktop browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Next, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the three dots or settings and select WhatsApp Web. Scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Make sure your phone stays connected to the internet. Now, look at the left panel of WhatsApp Web. Click on the circular status icon to access all statuses shared by your contacts. After that, browse through the list of contacts who have posted statuses. Click on a contact's status icon to view their photos, videos, or text updates. You can navigate through multiple statuses from the same contact by clicking through them. And that's it. You can now view WhatsApp statuses on your desktop easily without needing to use your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.